Hey, it's Bitty Penny, and I'm here with Taylor-Made Cards for You. And we are going to make another Halloween card. And so let me just think here for a second. What am I going to do? Okay, bring in the gesso. So this is going to be a super fast card. In fact, I am trying to make these videos this week quick because there's a giveaway. So if you didn't know, there is a giveaway I'm doing. There's 4 cards in this series. I'm using the same digital download for all of them. It is retro Halloween images from Taylor-Made Cards for You. And if you like, subscribe, comment on all 4 videos. Of course, you only have to subscribe once, and it's free and painless, right? So then you'll be entered into the giveaway. I'm going to be giving away all 4 cards to one winner, as well as some other goodies that I'll throw in. That'll be more of a surprise, if you will. So to the card, I am just ink blending some black soot distress oxide ink on here, and I'm creating my own background. With this card, I really wanted to do something fast, fun. I didn't necessarily want to bring in another printable. I didn't want to necessarily bring in any cardstock from my stash. I wanted to use techniques. And I wanted to share this technique in particular because it's kind of fun layering 2 different stencils together but using different mediums. So the first medium that I use when I use this technique is an ink, and then I come in with like a gesso, and then you can go over the gesso with like more ink or do fun things with it too. So this is a great way to mass produce some cards, making your own design. So I am kind of only wanting to hit the highlights of this second stencil design because I still want plenty of the first stencil design to peek through in this card. So that's why I'm obviously not giving it the full coverage here. Let me know down below, what are some of your favorite ways to use stencils? And do you layer them like this with mixed media? I love mixed media cards. So I think the results are kind of kooky and creepy, just like Halloween. And I like the white contrast with all the orange. So like I said before, this is super quick. I popped the pumpkin up with some foam, and that's it. We're like done. It's so fast and simple. I feel a little guilty as a crafter making such a fast card, but sometimes that's what's great, is you can make a beautiful card and it doesn't take you an hour. So here it is. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking, subscribing. Go over to Taylor-Made Cards for You if you want these retro images. I'll have them linked below. Thanks for watching.